What valve covers are these, Jake?
Those are Motion Raceworks.
Motion Raceworks valve covers.
Motion Raceworks catch can.
Catch can. All powder coated and matchy-matchy.
Yep. Fancy shit.
As you see, we have a problem here with the turbo and the radiator. So they're going to chop this and make it shorter. So it brings the turbo in a little farther. Chop up those on-3 headers. He's got a fancy plug wire solution here. Coils are in the cowl. Nice and hidden. Fuel injector clinic. 1,000 cc's. She's almost done. Getting there. Got the race pack waiting. Brand new in the box. Hooks in here. Bunch of Mega Squirt shit. Oh yeah, MS3 Pro box. Look at that. What fuel cell is that? eBay?
Yeah, some eBay shit.
eBay fuel cell. Dash 12 though, coming out of it.
Nothing fancy.
Let's see if we can get the fuel pump down here. Oh yeah, look at that big bitch. Magna Fuel 4303. Pre-filter and a after filter?
Yeah.
Damn, you fancy, son. Pretty clean paint job yet for fucking 20 years old or whatever it is, right?
Sat outside every day.
What?
Sat outside every day for 16 years.
Yeah, I sat outside every day 16 years, he says. She's still got some sparkle, though. Man, I think it would look pretty cool as an intercooler, but oh well.
Maybe next year.
Maybe next year, he says. Just going to run the piping. Like I said, these are going to have to get shortened so the turbos come in farther. And then you're just going to run the turbos through here and wire it right into the snout. Magna fuel regulator. What other goodies we got? What cam's in here?
BTR twin turbo stage 2.
BTR twin turbo cam, stage 2. It's got BTR double springs too.
Chromoly push rods.
Chromoly push rod. Fancy. It's a turbo 400 with a trans brake and a shift kit. Summit converter.
Yep.
Ooh. We'll see how long that lasts.
Little torque coming soon.
Yeah. I don't know what else I can say. What cross member is in it?
BMR.
BMR adjustable, yeah. BMR adjustable cross member for the trans. I don't know if I can see that or not. A little bit. A little bit. You can kind of see it. There's the hood, the grill, all that stuff. You gonna rock these seats, bro?
Nope. Definitely not.
So yeah, there's a So that's it for the Camaro for now, and we will pick back up when we have more parts. If you want to see more of this video or more of this car, like and subscribe, bro.